Hey y'all, this is Red Small Engine Repair. One of my friends brought this to me. Old Speed Clean 6.5 horsepower pressure washer. She's got compression. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is pop the spark plug off. We'll see if it's getting any, she's getting any fire. Take the 5/8 socket, deep well. Well, she's been sitting outside for a little while. He said the motor just quit on. Spark plug, it's got it. But it's not bad though. It is not bad. Alright. What we're gonna do, pull the spark plug over here. Set to a piece of metal. We're gonna see if she gets any fire. Okay. Let's see if I can touch it. Oh, she's getting fire. Oh yeah, she's getting fire. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do, take a flathead, take this cover off, air filter housing, cover, air filter in here if there is an air filter. It's seen better days, but still okay to use. Put that aside. Alright, we're going to put the spark plug back in. We don't want trash to get in there on top of the cylinder, on top of the piston. Scratch the cylinder walls. Okay. No gas in it. You might have had a leak or something like that. Not sure. Alright. Before you crank up anything, go ahead and pull the dipstick out. It's got oil. It needs to be changed, but it's got oil. Okay. Next thing you're going to need is an 8mm.